So this is my Grandma Lily. Say hi, Grandma.
This is Grandma Lily.
That's Grandma Lily. She's been on this earth for a very short period of time, but she is the foundation of our family. I just want to make sure that people know what she looks like and what she sounds like. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye.
Say it in Japanese, Mom.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.
Now say it in Spanish.
Adios.
Adios.
Today we're going to make some homemade salsa. The history of salsa sauce originated with the Inca people. Salsa, a combination of chiles, tomatoes, and other spices, can be traced to the Aztecs, Mayans, and Incas. Aztec lords used to combine tomatoes with chili peppers, ground squash seeds, and consumed them mainly as a condiment served on turkey, venison, lobster, and fish.
Alright, so what is this we're doing again?
We're making a roasted chili salsa. Some people, if you cook it, you can make it on the stove. Call it cocido salsa. Jalapeño, chile güerillo.
The Spaniards first encountered tomatoes after their conquest of Mexico in 1519 to 1521.
Our garlic. Where'd our garlic go? It's around there somewhere.
Okay.
We're gonna roast that. And garlic. And also, where if you want to be hardcore, you can do it in molcajete.
Okay, I don't have one of those.
Alright, well, anyhow, so once you've put all these contents are roasted, you're gonna peel the stems off the chilies. You put everything inside here, all the contents. You're gonna get a tablespoon of this chicken bouillon. You're also gonna get a can of tomato sauce. I like using el pato, but I forgot it. And el pato, the Mexican tomato sauce has some chili in there as well, jalapeno. And once you get to that point, you put a little water, you fill it up, or if you want it thick, leave it thick, and you're gonna done. Taco.
Nice. Wow. You're like Tom Hanks. You made fire. I'm already getting some of it. It's like getting sprayed in the face with.
Look at that. Just, that's why you like it.
So it's nice and charred like that. Show that again.
Nice and roasted. Get over here.
Oh, nice.
So some people they like to peel all that off before they mix it up in the molcajete or the food processor, but I leave it on. Leave it on there.
What does that add to it? Just add a little more char flavor?
It gives it a smoky
flavor?
Yeah, I like it.
Nice.
Some people aren't partial to that.
So this is step 2 of the homemade salsa process. So this is our roasted peppers, onions, tomatoes, garlic, and a bunch of cilantro. And some of the seasoning. My pop is going to throw the tomato sauce in there to add it the coloring. And we're going to blend it up. So right now our Mexican ancestors are probably turning in their grave right now because we're not using a molcajete, but I just don't have a molcajete. So we're going to put the cap on and then press blend and see it explode everywhere.
It's got heat. I'm trying to choke.
So we gotta go move stuff around. Oh, look at that. That is a nice color.
You're not supposed to look at it, you're supposed to eat it.
Dang. It smells delicious too. Try it. Nice and smoky flavor. There's some heat to it. It's tasty.
About maybe a 4 or 5. We've got about 30 chilies at least inside there, or more.
Yeah. I mean, to the uninitiated, you still shit blood later, but it's delicious. Alright, so this is our homemade brand salsa. No molcajete, I guess that's another investment we gotta make, but it'll spicy. It'll get you where it needs to get you. So I got a nice healthy scoop right here. The smokiness is the first thing you taste. The heat is on the back end, on the back of your tongue. It's perfect. Perfect for chips and dips. You get a cold beer, hanging outside barbecuing with your family. This is what it's all about right here. You need to get that molcajete though. Awesome job. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Please do give us a like, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more Dad the Noob content on YouTube. We'll catch you later. Happy eating, and adios!